beautiful people, today we are making tandoori chicken kawaii in the air fryer. Do you know air fryers can help you to make these chicken things? Let's start the recipe. Half kg chicken, we have yogurt, 4 spoons, and we have this. I don't know what is it called, but 2 4 minutes. Yes, yogurt onto here. Don't do like this. So beautiful people, my mom is going to put half lemon. Here you go. Okay, let's take it. My mom is on the phone and I'm just here. So beautiful people, I'm a good boy. I can help my mom and anyone. Beautiful people, I help my mommy to make. Now I'm helping to make like this very not tasty thing. I don't want to eat it. Only my mom can make it. They like to eat it. It's mommy. So beautiful people, my mommy makes this chicken, and that's mommy favorite food. That's my little sister's food. Beautiful people, I wait for it for 1 hour. Ready now, and chicken is ready for air fry. So we are ready. It's very simple. I'm putting it right here. Another one. It's very heavy to do it. Right here. But I'm going to put this on this. This is, you have to not touch right here. You can get in danger. Heavy. Now we going to, how much? 10 minutes? I'm going to put this in 10 minutes. Oh, no. The timer. It's the timer. Let's wait. So I'm waiting for the chicken to done. My daddy's favorite food, but not mine. No, this is wrong. 2 chickens my sister made it for, and I made it for my daddy will like it. I know. Half right in the machine and more a little bit in this bowl. Half chicken in the air fryer, and I'm gonna eat it. Daddy's favorite thing. The tandoori chicken is ready. So this one is Sabina's. It's so beautiful people. Do you like my video? Then subscribe to my channel and do the 2 likes. Only 2. My next video. And goodbye.